Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to make your Discord mic sound better. So it's actually very easy to do this. It's just a couple of settings you need to change. But if this video does help you out, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. And also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So let's get straight into it, and you can do this on the Discord app or the web-based application. It's all down to personal preference, but I prefer to use the web-based version. So that's what I'll be using in today's example. So what you want to do is just go ahead and open up Discord and log into your account. And once that's logged in, as I say, it's very simple. There's just a couple of things you need to tweak in the settings. So what you want to do first is come down and click onto your user settings, which is down here in the bottom left hand corner. And then what you want to do from here is come to the menu on the left hand side, and you want to look for the app settings section, which is a bit down the page, and you'll see an option there which says voice and video. So you just want to go and give that a click, and what's going to happen, it's going to bring up some settings like so. So a couple of things you can change on here to actually improve this is your input device. So if you're using like a external microphone like I use, then what you want to do is click onto the drop down box, and you just want to make sure that the correct microphone is selected. By default it's normally set to, if you're using like a laptop, then it'll be defaulted to your laptop mic. And once that's done, what you're then going to do is just scroll down the page, and you want to come down until you get to the advanced section down here. And then from here, what you want to do is make sure that these two options, so noise reduction and echo cancellation, are both switched off, because these are features that can affect the voice, the sound quality. And then what you can do is just scroll up, and obviously you can check this out. So you can click onto let's check, and what that's going to do is run a test. Hopefully that should improve it. Also make sure on this input mode, obviously you've got it set to voice activity. Push to talk is more if you've got like a lot of background noise, so you've got like pets in the background or something like that. And what this enables you to do is basically when you want to talk, you would press a shortcut like a button on your keyboard, and once you press that button you'll be able to talk. But obviously it's better to leave it on to voice activity, this one, as the mic is enabled all the time. You can also play about with this input sensitivity. So this is how well the device, the microphone, picks up your voice. So if it's not really picking your voice up too well, then you can obviously increase this like so, or decrease it like so. As I say, when you're doing this and changing these settings, now and again just click onto this blue let's check button just to hear your voice back and see the quality of the microphone. But that's a few tips for you on how you can improve your mic quality on Discord, and I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.